Hello again. Kanina, galing kami sa Coco restaurant. Then, we ate lots of seafoods. Grabe, busog na naman ako. I gained pounds in 4 days. Diet. Nawala. We went to golf. Kaya ang eye bags, look. Look, ninenok ko. Pangkuha ng lobster. Look. Lobster. This is a lobster. Bad ako eh. Kinuha ko siya. Pangkuha na gano'n. Or pang tinga. Joke! Miss everyone. Especially you. I miss you. I miss you so much.